and welcome. This is Angie with theCountryChicCottage.net. So today we're still talking about the Cricut Joy, and we're going to cover one of the products that was released with the Joy, and that is deluxe paper that has an adhesive back. So grab your paper, your Cricut Joy pens, the Joy itself, and let's make a fun project and show you all about what adhesive paper can do. So this is the adhesive paper pack that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use a black and white stripe out of here as well as a white. Then we're going to use the pens for this project. So you're going to see me use the pens with the Cricut Joy. And then the only other supply we'll need is some baker's twine. Because this is adhesive backed, our glue and everything is right in the package, so we don't need to do anything else. So let's get the paper we need out and add it to our light grip mat. So the light grip mat is a 4.5 by 12 inch cutting mat, and then the adhesive paper itself, this is the front, and then the back will have these grid lines. So you want to put it with the grid lines down onto the mat, and it's actually sized perfectly for the Cricut Joy, so it will fit on this mat exactly. And now we'll head to the Joy and cut our adhesive back paper. To use a mat with a Cricut Joy, you're going to want to pick mat from the first drop down. And then to use the larger mat, you're going to want to pick the 4.5 by 12. And then what I had to do on these, I want them all to go the same direction because the paper is striped. So for every single one, I turned it 90 degrees and then put it as far up as I could. So turn 90 degrees. And add it right underneath the second one. And then I just made sure that they were all fairly straight. And then continued on with all of the flags before I started my cut. And once you have all the flags in the correct orientation, just repeat with the letters themselves. Make sure that you have a mat selected in the largest mat, and then we'll click continue. Then you'll pick the adhesive deluxe paper as your material type. And then it'll prompt you to load your tools and material. You'll want to load the mat into the machine, and let's head to the machine and see how to do that. And now when you add your mat to the machine, the sensors will see it and automatically pull it in. Then it'll measure and make sure that you have enough material and the right mat inserted. And then you're just going to click go on your computer or mobile device. So once your cut is done, you just press unload on your computer or mobile device. Now we're ready for the letters of our project. So we'll just remove this paper from our cutting mat. And then we're going to cut the letters from the white paper. And the first thing it calls for is the red pen. So we're just going to add this pen. Now when using pens with the Cricut Joy, you just drop it in, don't press it, and close the clamp. Then we'll just press go once again on our computer or mobile device. Then once it's done writing the red, it's asking for the next pen. And I'm going to add the purple pen in the same manner. And then press go on my computer or mobile device. Now it's asking for the blade, so we'll remove the pen, drop the blade back in, close the clamp, and press go. Now let's unload this mat and take a look at how to put our project together. Alright, to remove the paper from the mat, always pull your mat back from the paper. And that minimizes the curling of your material. And then what we're going to do is start with our flags. So the flags themselves, we're going to peel them off. So this is self-adhesive. So it's kind of like you cut some stickers that are paper. And then we're just going to add this baker's twine to the center. Then we're going to fold that over, being careful to line up the edges. And just pinch it so that it is adhered well. And then we'll just continue with the rest of our flags. Now once your flags are all on your baker's twine, you can just add your letters. So these are just like stickers at this point. And we're just going to add them to the banner flags. And there you have a completed party banner all in a few minutes. So we made this cute party banner all within a couple minutes with the Cricut Joy. Now you can make this as large or as small as you wanted to, so this size would be great for the top of a cake. But you can make it larger where each of the flags takes up like one sheet of this paper or two, and have it across a wall or something like that. Now we did use the adhesive paper with the Cricut Joy as well as the Cricut Joy mat. Now the adhesive paper is 4.5 inches by 12 inches. You could definitely use that with the Cricut Maker or Cricut Explorer series. So don't think you're just limited with this product with the Cricut Joy alone, because it'll definitely work in your other machines as well. So grab you some adhesive paper and get to playing with it if you're excited about this new release from Cricut. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, or any questions about the Joy in particular that maybe I haven't answered, then ask them in the comment section below. If you loved this video, loved adhesive back paper, or loved the project we did, be sure to give us a thumbs up, because we love thumbs up. You might also want to scroll on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. We have Cricut videos all the time, including everything you ever wanted to know about Cricut Joy, as well as your Explorer and Maker as well. So if you have a question about your machine in general, we probably have a video for you. Scroll back and look, or ask that question in the comment section below, and I'll drop a link to a video for you. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week with another fun Cricut video and project. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.